It's a beautiful day for making hay. So what we've done so far is we've mowed the tall grass. There's a little patch of tall grass right in front of us. It's about 3.5 feet tall right now. You can see on the side here where it's mowed. So you get a sense how tall that is. So that's a combination of fescue, orchard grass, and timothy. And so it's been mowed and it's been drying for a day. And now Chuck is out there with the rake, raking it into these windrows. Okay, here we come with another row. Here comes Bentley to say hello. Say hello, Bentley. This is Jim. Say hello, Jim.
How's it going over there?
So Jim's done a lot of the heavy lifting here on the farm. He keeps the yard in beautiful shape, feeds the chickens, keeps the fence lines looking good. And today he's going to help me pick up square bales. Here's Chuck making round bales. In a minute, you're going to see a round bale come squirting out of the back here. And there it is. He's got another one. He's gonna go put one on the front and one on the back. So here we are. So he's got enough hay rolled up there. What's it's doing right now is wrapping string around it, or twine, to keep it good and tight. So it does that automatically. And here comes the bale. There it is. Now it'll start it over again.